Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day and living a healthy and peaceful life. So I've come again here in this video to speak on this English language, and today I've chosen a topic for speaking in this video. And so the topic is about a cue card which I'm frequently using for speaking in this video, because this is the toughest way which I feel while uploading videos. And so took only 2 minutes of time for speaking on the cue cards, because as I know, like, I can jot down a lot of words while searching out on Google, but I try to express myself more. I try to expand my thoughts and clarity, so for that I do it from myself only and just writing down the words. So if you also want to learn something, so you can watch this video till the end. You will find like how a beginner can also speak fluently by doing practicing every day. So the topic is about describing a resolution you made in the new year. So this is kind of cue card which I'm going to speak, and so I've jotted down words basically, and so I'm going to start it now. So let's jump into this video. So if I talk about basically the main purpose of resolution for the new year is basically seeing my last year improvement, because as I was living a sedentary lifestyle. Because of that, I want to improve my health as well, because I while working in the office, I found out very lazy, and because of that I just not able to give my full effort, and because of like that my productivity also going down. So these all are the things which I need to improve, and for that I need to work harder. And so I made a resolution that I'm going to hit going to a gym, and for that I just got enrolled in gymming classes, and for that I need to basically go every day. And so this is a huge challenge for me, because going every day is a very difficult task for a person who never done something kind of heavy lifting or some sort of thing like that. So I tried to basically started from going in a week 3 days, and then after I'm going to do basically these are the resolution which I'm going to follow in upcoming years. And for that I just wrote down all the days where I'm not going, and just finding out like how many days I missed. And so these are the things which I'm going to do, like make a resolution in upcoming year. And the other thing is that I am like basically kind of having a difficult like easy outside eating food. This is also a thing which is very not good for my health, and for that basically I try to avoid that, and just writing down the days where I'm just eating junk food which is costly and which is not basically related to my goal with resolution which I have taken. So these are all the things I'm going to write down, and because of the writing down I can see basically where I'm lacking and where are my mistakes are, because we are human, we make mistakes at least 20%. And if I'm making that, so that is quite normal, because this is how a human behavior looks like. So you cannot be a robot, so this you need to also remind yourself. So yeah, after checking my resolution improvement at the year, basically I find out like how much I have worked, or else like I have gone to the gym or not, because this is what I'm going to make this kind of resolution. And so by this I'm going to basically complete my daily routine. So I think this is what I have chosen for today's cue card, and what I have spoken in this video. There is multiple things which I need to focus on, and I'm focusing on that, and I'm going to work on that as well. So I hope you find this video helpful. So if you found something valuable, so don't forget to watch my previous videos where I have spoken in different cue card as well. Bye bye, have a good day.